How to make photos quality high on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make photos quality high on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then click media, and now just click here, select high. Click on it, just one click, and as you see high has been selected. And now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.